Let's make some banana bread, but add in some of our sourdough discard. In a small bowl, we're gonna mix 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and then go ahead and mix that together. And then set this aside. Next, grab a bigger bowl, and we're going to take 3 ripe bananas and mash them up. And then just mash them up with a fork. Next, add 2 eggs. Mix those in. We're gonna do 2/3 of a cup of sugar. Mix that. A half a cup of our sourdough discard. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. A half a cup of melted butter. And then go ahead and mix all this together. Once you have your wet ingredients mixed together, go ahead and add your dry ingredients. And then mix this together. At this point, if you want to add any chocolate chips, walnuts, you can go ahead and add those too. I'm going to take my 9 by 5 inch bread pan and I'm going to spray it really well with nonstick cooking spray. We're going to go ahead and add our batter into our bread pan. And then go ahead and place this in the oven. It will be preheated 350 degrees and you're going to cook it for like 50 to 60 minutes. And there we go. I'll go ahead and put the full recipe in the description below and then follow me for more recipes.